Picture this, you're at a school assembly and you're about to become a legend. But not in the way you hoped. So, sophomore year, school's packed gym, and I'm rocking a fresh hoodie and haircut feeling invincible. I'm sitting behind my crush thinking I'm all smooth. The principal's droning on about school spirit and I feel a sneeze coming. Now, this wasn't just any sneeze. This was an earth shaker, a full-body convulsion, and with it, the loudest fart of my life. A true dual attack. The bleachers went silent, then someone burst out laughing. My crush turned around, eyes wide, and just said, "Oh my God." I wanted to teleport out of there, but nope, I just sat there frozen, as my best friend whispered, "Legendary." For the rest of the year I was the sneeze fart guy. Yep, totally nailed it.